Keto Doenjang Braised Pork Belly. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 45 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 150 grams pork belly, cut into cubes. 30 grams white radish, peeled and roughly chopped. 20 grams ginger, thinly sliced. 10 grams green onions. Half a tablespoon soybean paste. 50 grams bok choy. Procedure. 1. Combine all ingredients except for the bok choy in a pot. Simmer for 45 minutes or until pork is tender. 2. Add bok choy and simmer for another minute. 3. Serve hot. Nutritional information. Energy 319 kilocalories. Protein 30 grams 41%. Fat 18 grams 52%. Carbohydrates 6 grams 7%. Fiber 1.2 grams.